Hello, welcome to Sana Vlogs. Hope you like today's video.
Hey guys, Sahana here and welcome back to another video. And today's video, we're going to a unique place. And it's an indoor rainforest. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And we are here, the Green Planet Dubai, the indoor rainforest. Look how big this place is. Isn't it amazing? Although it looks like a normal building, there's a special surprise inside. A new world of nature. This is, I think, an arch. It's really nicely decorated. It's really pretty. There's a lot of plants and the Green Planet Dubai.
Like the chameleon, is gonna be able to change the color. Not as good as the chameleon. So chameleon, they will be a bit different, right? They will have a longer tail. Oh, this is Spider-Man. He likes to jump. If you want, you can move a bit forward. No, touch before. And if you want to touch again, you let me know. I will pass by again. All right? Thank you.
And here's me petting the rainbow boa. Wow, look how cool this place is. There's so many tables and chairs, and it's really beautiful. Look, they have recreated the weaver bird's nests. There are also a lot of plushies that you can buy. And now we have entered the building. Ooh, there's also a big fish tank that's built in. There's a really big fish here. And if you look up, there are a whole lot of fish. And there are the piranhas or piranhas. Now we're in the lift and we're going to the 4th floor. And here I meet a bearded dragon. Isn't it adorable? And here's the humongous roof. There are a lot of different type of birds here. Like this one right here. And we see a few tiny parrots. Ooh, are those parakeets? This is another place where you cross a bridge and there are a lot of information about those birds. Look at this pretty bird with the shiny coat of feathers and look at its eyes. Wow, this bird's really cool. There's also a small waterfall here. Ooh, they're making a rain indoors. Maybe that's why they call it the indoor rainforest. I'm touching another snake. It's a boa and I think it's asleep. Maybe it's tired. Wow, two beautiful macaws. I see a sloth and another animal that reminds me of a raccoon. Look at it, it looks adorable. There's another beautiful bird that looks like a peacock's crown. And we're inside a tree trunk, a hollow tree. Looky, there's a tiny river. Oh, there's a little bunny, a black bunny. Oh, that other animal that looks like a raccoon is climbing down the tree. Wow, it's also playing with that string. There are also chickens here. Or hens. Yeah, these are hens. They're so big and fluffy. And we are also going to see the creatures of the night. Now, there aren't many creatures or animals here in the creatures of the night area, but it's still pretty interesting. They look like kangaroo rats, but they're actually wallabies. There's also an owl. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and share my videos with your friends and families. And please subscribe too. And bye!